Bonsoir.
Comment vous sentez-vous?
Bien, merci.
D'accord. Okay. You talked in English?
Yeah.
Okay, let us continue in English.
Yes, thank you.
Can you tell us the key aspects of your project?
Yes, thank you. Good evening one more time. Before I start with my project, I would like us to take a moment and think about all those beautiful human beings, underprivileged children, who are outside there sleeping with no hope of living, no hope of shelter, and no provision. It hurts, right? I've been working since 2020 with different organizations where we always visit different places, giving clothes, giving food. But did we take time to talk to those kids and understand what they really need? Do we think they love waking up without knowing what tomorrow preserves for them? That's where my project comes in. My project, named Tambugwaruka Turashoboye, will be there not only to give charity for a time being, but also to train, educate, empower, and promote those who, due to limited resources, risk having their dreams fade away. We will be providing them with educational support and mentorship programs so that they can discover their full potentials. Since Tambugwaruka Turashoboye trust that creativity is in all of us, we just need that one person to hold us on the shoulders and tell us that we can. I read a book written by Richard Florida. I would like to just say it as it was written. It was in French. Pour plus prospérer dans cette nouvelle âge créative, les régions doivent produire, attirer et retenir des gens talentueux et créatifs qui apportent des innovations, développent des activités à fort teneur et alimentent la croissance économique. Dear audience, reminding on our African proverb, which says, "It takes a village to raise a child." We understand that with my project, we will be able to create an environment that nurtures personal growth, thereby breaking the cycle of deprivation and paving the way for a brighter future. We are the chosen generation, so let's fight for the future, and the future is me, the future is you, and the future is in all of us. Thank you.
Thank you to Tania. We're going to continue. The other questions are on your left. Yes, you're going to choose a piece of paper from each one of the small baskets.
Okay. L'hymne national a été écrit par Jean-Baptiste Nahokaja, Marc Balangayabo, Prince Louis Gwagasiore, Pierre Ngendandumwe. Le hymne national a été écrit par Jean-Baptiste Nahokaja. Merci. Que diriez-vous aux jeunes femmes qui hésitent à viser de postes de responsabilité?
You can go ahead in English.
Okay. I will tell to those ladies that we are brighter. We can do it. We are the future. We are the mothers, the sisters, and the kids. So why can't we go inside there? we are the mothers of the family. So I will tell them to come in because I trust in me. I trust in women empowerment, and we are the future. Thank you. Qui était le premier président démocratiquement élu et quand est-ce qu'il a été élu? Je crois le premier président qui a été élu le premier président qui a été démocratiquement élu était I think it was Ndadaye, sorry.
Thank you.